Hi, in this video we are talking about some general knowledge questions and answers, and few of those things, few of the answers my daughter don't know, so we are just discussing. Okay, so let's start. And these are the list of questions we are going to discuss. Okay,
The list of questions covered in this video.
yeah. Next, how many hours are there in a day? 24. 24 hours. Out of 20, we have these 24 hours are divided into two parts of 12 hours for the daytime and 12 hours for the evening time, AM and PM. AM for before noon and PM, God bless you, and PM for afternoon. Okay. So if it is 5 hours, 5 hours means the day is just started. So we will say 5 a.m.
It says noon and midnight.
Yes. Okay. That's okay. Please don't disturb that. Okay. If it is 10 hours, just the out of 24 hours, 10 hours are passed. So we will say 10 a.m. And out of 24 hours, if 14 hours are passed, then it will be 2 p.m. and so on. Okay, next, let's move to next question.
This one is my favorite.
What is the sequence or order of colors in a rainbow?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, yeah,
Indigo
and violet.
Makes a rainbow.
The outermost color is red and the innermost color is violet.
Very good.
And it is called Roy J. Biv.
Very good.
The starting of the
All the
colors.
Starting letter of all the colors make it Roy G. Biv.
Yes, that's my favorite word.
Okay, thanks Moksha. Now our next question is, how many bones are there in a human body? Okay, she don't know. Answer is 206 bones in adult body and 350 bones in a infant baby body. Okay, and
my baby, I have a baby. His name is Rishi, and he's a boy.
Yeah, baby brother, Moksha's baby brother. And when the baby grows, these 300 and out of these 350 bones, some bones join together to make solid bigger bones. Solid bigger bones. Okay, how many sides does a heptagon and nonagon have? Heptagon or septagon. Heptagon or septagons means 7 and nonagon is 9. Okay, and all these shapes are here on the side. And
a heptagon is a polygon with 7 sides and 7 angles.
Yep. Sometimes the heptagon is also known as septagon. A nonagon is a polygon with 9 sides and 9 angles. And the word polygon is having 2 syllables, poly and gon. Poly means many and gon means angle. Polygon. And what is polygon? Many angles, but polygons is a polygon is a closed figure. It's a closed figure. See Moksha, they're all the figures on that side, see there, okay, are closed figure. None of them is open, means all the sides are connected to each other. Okay, they are meeting at some point, and the point at which the two sides are meeting is called angle. Okay. You also say them as a corner, but in the language of mathematics it is known as angle. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, corner or angle. And polygon is a closed figure, not open. Okay. Next question.
Mama, while we playing that thing, we just said that corner. We can just see that corner.
Okay. Okay, so this is going to be our last question of the first part, because I don't want to make the video too longer. Okay, so of this video, this is the last question. What is that? How many planets are there in solar system? Challenge: name the hottest, coldest, smallest, biggest planet in the solar system.
There's 8 planets in the solar system.
Okay.
And the hottest planet is Venus, and the coldest planet is
Yes.
Neptune.
Very good. Next,
The
smallest.
smallest one is Mercury, and the biggest planet is Jupiter.
Oh, Jupiter. I thought Saturn.
You're joking.
I'm not joking. I'm tricking you. Okay. So let's move to answer. Yes, there are 8 planets, and can start naming them.
But joking means another word for
Tricking.
Yes.
Okay, if you say so, fine. So yeah, Moksha, please name the planets in order, starting
Mercury,
which is the
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
very good. And Sun is a planet.
No,
Then
it's the biggest star we know.
okay.
Everybody, you can be like a star.
Okay, Moksha, one extra question. Does the sun have season? Does the sun have season?
No.
No.
Earth has season.
Okay. But we have seen a video on TV that is from NASA. That video shows that yes, sun have seasons, and its season are, it has 2 seasons. One is solar maximum and solar minimum.
Minimum.
Yes, solar maximum and solar minimum. We will make a video for that also. Okay, so let's
I don't really know that.
You forgot it, okay, because you are busy in playing, right, and busy in doing school homework. So yeah, so until I revise you the things, you will forget. Okay, tick 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 tick. Okay, so yeah, hottest is Venus, but Moksha, Mercury is closest. But why Venus is hottest? Mercury must be the hottest. Can you tell me the reason?
Because it doesn't let the air in the Venus, because it has
Because it has, it is written on the point, first point, because the carbon dioxide and other atmospheric gases makes a thick cloud which traps the heat. That's why Venus is hottest. Okay, coldest planet. Which is the coldest planet? Neptune. Okay, but the record says, what record says? At some point, the Uranus is having lowest temperature than the Neptune. That's why, according to records, Uranus is coldest than Neptune. Understood? No. Okay. So fine, no problem. The smallest
Neptune acts like Uranus.
what?
Neptune Neptune acts like Uranus.
Neptune acts like Uranus. Okay, fine. Can you tell me a special thing about Uranus? Can you tell me a special thing about Uranus? Yes. First.
Uranus spins differently.
Yes, Uranus spins differently. Why? Why we don't know, but the answer is Uranus spins very different than other planets, and there are two planets which spins clockwise. They are Uranus and Venus. They spins clockwise, whereas other planets spins.
Uranus and Venus?
Yeah,
Venus?
Uranus and Venus spins clockwise, and other planets spin anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise?
Yeah. Biggest planet is Jupiter, right? Biggest planet is Jupiter.
Yes.
And Jupiter is having a red spot in it. And what is that red spot?
A star.
It's a star.
Nobody cannot go in there except for astronauts. Astronauts cannot go there either.
Astronauts cannot go either in that bag. In the red spot or the storm.
Jupiter can have shapes in.
Okay, good. So Jupiter also have rings, but we cannot see the rings of Jupiter because they are very faint, very light.
We can always see Saturn. Can we also see Uranus?
A little bit.
So it might be.
Okay, so we are pausing this and we will make a next video for these other questions. Okay. Yeah. See you.